Pero sir, ano ba ang safeguards ng DepEd para masiguro na ang MOOE ay napupunta talaga sa mga students and classrooms?
Okay, so ganito na lang siguro, no? To end possibly all this,
Yes.
the regional office will come up with an issuance again to reiterate, to come up with na every school shall place a transparency board of their MOOE. So makita doon magkano yung MOOE, saan nagpunta ang MOOE, anong nagastos, maliban sa na-submit ito every month or every quarter to the COA. Because the Commission on Audit as well ay
Nag-audit naman.
din. Oo.
So wala dapat ikahabahala sila.
Yes naman po.
Pero
Siguro titingnan lang natin, Ma'am Miriam, yung priorities ng
isang school.
ng school kasi doon nag-vary. Kasi personally hindi naman ako pwede as regional director magsabi na you have to prioritize this because the school leaders knows best kung ano yung dapat lagyan doon.
Yes.
But ang sa akin lang, in a school, there is what we call School Improvement Plan,
I see.
the SIP, wherein the committee of this SIP to cut up this SIP ay yung teachers, yung parents, even the SGC, the School Governing Council, kasama pa yung bata, na mayroong representation, even the LGU mayroon pa ring representation, yung barangay, kung saan ang school, pwede doon, na pag-prepare ng school improvement plan, alagay doon, ano ba talagang priority ng school? Maliban sa mga basic na talaga like yung electricity, water,
Correct.
yung guards, if pwede ng guards, then yung
Sa
mga
maintenance din siguro.
maintenance, yung
Linis.
pwede mag-utility, din yon, legit na din yon,
Kasama.
even yung mga supplies, even the teachers can request supplies from the school head using the MOE. Do hindi naman masyadong malaki talaga ang MOE. So kalimitan, some of the teachers will be asking, bakit hindi maibigay lahat ng gusto nilang mapunta sa mga supplies kasi limited din.
Limitado
Depende
pa.
din sa school. Mayroon ngang school 10,000 a month lang yung MOE. So
You listen, we talk, let the message flow.